BJP MP Gautam Gambhir has alleged a death threat to him and his family from the terror group ISIS Kashmir in a police complaint filed in Delhi. Security has been tightened outside his home in the national capital after the complaint was filed last night and a probe has been ordered. Police officer Shweta Chauhan said Gautam Gambhir has received a death threat from ISIS Kashmir through an email. Security has been beefed outside his residence. Aiming to privatize two public sector banks, the government will introduce the Banking Laws Bill 2021 in the forthcoming winter session of the Parliament, which will commence from November 29. The proposed legislation is among the list of 26 bills which are scheduled to be introduced during the session. According to the purpose of the bill, in the order to privatize two public sector banks, amendments need to be made in the Banking Companies Acts 1970 and 1980, as well as incidental amendments are required to be made in the Banking Regulation Act 1949. The Allahabad High Court has held that oral sex with minor amounts to penetrative sexual assault under Section 4 of the POSCO Act but can be treated as aggravated penetrative sexual assault that invites stricter punishment under the Section 6 of the same law. In making this observation, the court reduced the jail term of a man convicted for forcing the oral sex on a child from 10 years to 7 years. Hearing the appeal filed by Sonu Kushwaha, who was convicted by a Jhansi court, the single-judge bench of Justice Anil Kumar Ojha said, after going through the records and provisions of the POSCO Act, I am of the considered opinion that the appellant should be punished under Section 4 because the act done by the appellant falls in the category of penetrative sexual assault. The centre is likely to bring a bill in the winter session of Parliament to bar all cryptocurrencies in India, barring a few exceptions, and create a framework to regulate digital currency issued by the Reserve Bank of India. In response, all major digital currencies saw a fall of around 15% and more. The Cryptocurrencies and Regulation of Official Digital Currency Bill 2021 is listed for the introduction in the Lok Sabha during the winter session scheduled to start from November 29. The bill seeks to create a facilitative framework for the creation of the official digital currency to be issued by the RBI. It also seeks to prohibit all the private cryptocurrencies in India. However, it allows for certain exceptions to promote the underlying technology of cryptocurrency and its uses. Union Minister for Road Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari will lay the foundation stone for 25 national highway projects of total length 257 kilometers with an investment of 11,721 crores in Jammu on Wednesday. As per the official statement released by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, these projects will provide all-weather connectivity between Jammu and Kashmir Valley. These are strategically important for swift movement of the defence forces, along with agricultural, industrial and socio-economic progress of the region, the ministry said. It further stated that the projects will connect all major roads leading to the various district headquarters and will help in the generation of the employment and self-employment opportunities.